Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sipkens Nurseries, and we want to extend a huge thank you to everyone who came out to our Christmas open house this past Saturday. Thank you all for your kind comments. Thank you also to our vendors, Great Lake Goat Dairy, Honeydew Honey, Stonepickers Brewery, and The Cottage. You guys added so much fun to our event, and to our live musician, Just Gavin. Great excitement added for the day. So what you've all been waiting for is we are going to do our live draw. So we had 3 different prizes up for grabs. We have a $250 shopping spree here at Sipkens Nurseries, and we have 2 $100 gift cards available, and we're going to do that draw now. We've got a ton of ballots in here. We had a great response on the weekend. We're so happy. And our first winner, this is of the $250 Christmas shopping spree, is Suzanne Nija. Congratulations, Suzanne. Now, we're going to draw for our $100 gift card, our first one. Congratulations to Cecilia Karras. Congratulations. And our last winner of the event is Tammy Matheson. Congratulations, Tammy. Thanks again, everybody, for our Christmas open house event that you all came out to support. Thank you so much also for supporting the local businesses that were here for the day. Stay tuned to our social media as we have more Christmas events and classes coming up this season, including our Kids Christmas Adventure the first weekend in December. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.